What's up, guys? My name's Austin Romans, and this is my mechatronics project, and I call it Turn It Down. Have you ever been playing guitar at midnight, 1 a.m., prime guitar hours, on full volume, and you get a text from your roommate? You look down at your phone and it says, "Hey Austin, I think your guitar playing is really great. You are so good at guitar. But I need to wake up at 6 a.m. tomorrow. Can you turn it down?" We all hate that guy, right? That's the roommate nobody wants to be. But this product will eliminate the need for your roommate to let you know you're playing too loud. And it will automatically turn down your guitar amp for you. Let's get a closer look at how this works. So the turn it down this is what it looks like off the guitar. So this clip piece lets it sit into the handle indent in my amp. It was designed that way to sit comfortably. And when it's turned on like it is right now, the LCD will display a message and it says press button to begin. We'll get a close-up of that shot later, so don't worry if you can't see that from there. But from there, it just waits for the user, yourself, to press the button on the encoder, and then it goes into its active state. Right now it says chosen volume 75, and that number can be adjusted with the encoder wheel. See, I just changed it to 97. And while it's doing that, it also displays beneath that the current volume. Right now it's somewhere about 80-ish. That's how loud I am. So the sound's read off the sound sensor here. You can choose to dangle it in the back like me. You can dangle it off the front. We really want it to be as close to the speaker cone as we can. I don't think it matters front or back. If you want to hide it completely, you can put it in the housing, but I just dangle it out the back. So from there, the turn it down tells the stepper motor to turn the master volume knob right here either up or down. That way our current volume level read from the sound sensor matches our chosen volume level, which is selected by the user using the encoder wheel here. It uses a 2-position controller. A PID controller would help it get to the chosen volume quicker, but it's also more complicated to code. And because this design isn't very complicated, I decided just to keep it simple and use the 2-position controller. Alright, here's a little demonstration. I'm going to play something. I've set the volume level on the turn it down to 85 decibels. And we can hear it kind of adjust itself. And now if I turn it down, we'll go to 75. Definitely got quiet there at the end. If we go back up to 90, we'll hear it come back up. And that's how it works. So another use for the turn it down, my amp uses built-in presets, and so when I turn this knob here on the amp, it'll change from just between the different presets that it has programmed into it. And some of them have a lot of gain and overdrive and are very loud just naturally, and others have clean tones and they're quieter. And so when I'm switching back and forth between them, I'll have to adjust the volume knob myself in order to just kind of put it back to where it was. Like let's say I'm playing on a clean tone and I go to a really fuzzy overdriven tone. When I switch to the overdriven tone, I'm going to have to turn my amp way down because the new tone is a lot louder, just how it works. And the same is true if you do it the opposite way. The turn it down will just keep it at the same volume level regardless, like as you're switching. It'll have a little adjustment period, right? But it'll always go back to that same output level. And that's honestly probably what I'll use it for more than just as like a set volume knob.